Hello dear QX60's car viewers. Please don't forget to like the video, turn on the bell and comment on the channel. The entry-level 2023 Infiniti QX60 Pure starts at $50,395, which is $2,520 more than the previous model year. Price hikes also apply to the $55,250 Luxe, up $1,325, the $59,795 Sensory, up $2,420, and the $63,795 Autograph, up $2,420. For 2023, wireless charging and a frameless rearview mirror become standard, and all models at free scheduled maintenance. When Infiniti released the newest generation of the QX60 just last year, the redesign included a starting price that was $2,500 higher than its predecessor. For the 2023 model year, the company is once again raising the midsize SUV's base price, this time by $2,520 to $50,395. QX60's rising prices. While the entry-level Pure sees the highest price hike, the rest of the lineup also costs more than before. The Luxe gets the smallest increase, with the extra $1,325 pushing its starting price to $55,250. Meanwhile, Infiniti adds another $2,420 to the bottom lines of both the Sensory and Autograph models, which now start at $59,795 and $63,795, respectively. Adding all-wheel drive remains a $2,000 option on all but the top-of-the-line Autograph, where it costs $1,900. QX60's new extras. Of course, Infiniti does offer some new content to offset the QX60's increased prices. Most notably, Infiniti now provides free scheduled maintenance with every 2023 model, which includes the QX60. The service spans 3 years or 36,000 miles and covers inspections, oil changes, and tire rotations. The 23 QX60, which is currently on sale, gets a few other updates, too. The Pure model now comes standard with wireless device charging, which previously only came standard on the 3 higher trims. There are also new accent colors for the lower front bumper on specific trims. The trim now becomes gloss black on the Luxe and dark gray on the Sensory and Autograph. Finally, all models get a frameless rearview mirror. Dear viewers, please share your thoughts on the subject with us.